Hello students, now we discuss the sub-program of PLSQL that will be known as procedure and function. In other language, we define the function for define the sub-program. Here also we define the function and procedure for PLSQL program. Now there is a little bit difference between function and procedure. In function, there is a return value, a single return value, but procedure there will be no any such kind of directly return. Okay, we can write the standalone program or we can write the package program, sub program. Okay, the first is the standalone program. By we write create procedure or create function. So at first we start with the procedure. If we want to delete the procedure, we can write drop procedure. Now the syntax of procedure will be create or replace, then procedure, the keyword procedure, then the name of the procedure, then the parameter name. It's not mandatory. If we want to know parameter, that will be no problem. Then um, the modes. Modes are the in, out and in out. In means the input parameter, out means the output parameter, and in out means it will be declared as a input as well as output. And is or as. Okay, when we define a standalone procedure, then we use as. When we define a another procedure which is called from another function, then we use is. Then the main body of the procedure written in the begin and end. Okay, now here is an example. Create or replace procedure greetings as begin dbms output dot put line hello world end. Okay, so we just write the code and now we try to run these things. At the rate vlab 5.sql. Okay, procedure created, that means we just create the procedure greetings. Okay, now how we execute that procedure? There are two different ways to execute that procedure. If we write just only execute and the name of the procedure, that will be greetings in this case. Oh, sorry, typing error. So execute the SQL procedure successfully. Since our server output is not giving on, and if we execute these things, the hello world is print. Here is our procedure that will be display the hello world. This is one process to execute the procedure, and another process if we call this procedure from another function, that I written the function p6. If we execute this function, then again the procedure will be executed. That is the basic example of procedure. This is the two different way. One is by the keyword execute and the name of the procedure, and another way we just execute, we just call the procedure in another function and execute that. Okay, now here I defined another function, another program which will be a define a procedure. What is the program definition? Here we define a procedure known as procedure. The name of the procedure will be find max, where x in, that is x is an input parameter, y in, that is y is an input parameter, and z out, that z will be the output parameter. Here x, y and z are in the number. Is, we write is because in previous example we write as. Here the previous example we write as because this will be directly execute. Okay, and here we write is, there will be some parameter is used. Okay, now is, here the body of the procedure, that what we want to do in the procedure, and we just call these things. If we execute this program, what happened? We just see. So maximum of 23 and 45, that will be 45. Clear? And what we do here? This is the definition of the procedure, and this will be the calling of the procedure. So all those things are written in a single PLSQL code. Now I write this code in separate way. That is, one code is written for the this portion, the definition of the procedure, and another code is written for the execute of these things. Okay, so at first this will be the definition of the procedure, and this will be the calling of the procedure. Okay, so at first we execute this program to create the procedure, and after that if we execute this program, then we can call the procedure, and corresponding that we get the value. So that will be procedure is created. Now I just call the procedure. Here in call the procedure, I just consider the dynamic value, that is a runtime value, for the two variables for which we want to find the maximum. So here the first value, suppose 125, and second value is 126. Okay, the PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Here again we do not use the server output on. If we write these things here, then it is very easy to write. So if we run the P4 again, 125, and another will be 126, then we get the maximum of this will be 126. So by this way we can define or declare the procedure in PLSQL code.